Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a landing page on Wix step by step. Whether you want to promote a product, collect leads, or create a custom home page for your visitors, Wix makes the process simple with ready-made templates and easy editing tools. Let's get started. First, open your Wix website editor. In this example, I'm using Wix Studio, but don't worry, the steps are very similar in the regular Wix editor as well. By default, when visitors open your website link, they'll usually be taken to your homepage. But in this tutorial, we're going to create a custom landing page and make it the first page visitors see. To begin, go to the left side panel and click on Pages. Then click the plus icon to add a new page. If you're using the regular Wix editor, go to Pages and Menu, then click Add a Page. Now you'll see different page templates available. Wix offers many landing page designs, including templates for lead collection, coming soon pages, promotions, registrations, and more. Browse through the templates and choose one that fits your goal. For this example, we'll select a simple landing page template. Click Add Page and wait a few moments for it to load. Next, enter a name for your page. You can call it something simple like landing page or choose any name that matches your project. Then click Done. Now your landing page has been added to your website. To start customizing it, click on the page and select Quick Edit or Edit. From here, you can change the text, update images, customize buttons, and adjust the layout to match your branding. For example, you can replace placeholder text with your own headline, update call to action buttons, and upload your own images. Once you're happy with the design, we can make this landing page the main page visitors see when they open your website. To do that, go back to the Pages section on the left side. Find your new landing page in the list, then click the three dots next to it. From the menu, select Set as Homepage. Now your new landing page becomes the main page of your website. Finally, click Publish. Once your site is published, anyone who opens your website link will now see your landing page first. And that's how to create a landing page on Wix. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.